Assalamu alaikum guys. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get this really cool home screen glow effect. So first go to Play Store and download Fluid Simulation free, and then you open it, and then here we'll have this and here then we're going to have this screen. Then you press on the screen and then we'll have the little dot in the corner. We have lots of options for when you want to just play in the app, but what we need right now is to go down and set this as our wallpaper. We can choose the effect. I like this one. We could also do a random, but we'll choose this. And we can also change the colors, but we're going to leave it as it is for now and apply that. Now when we look at our home screen, it has this amazing glow effect.